Today the students of class 8 are going to study about the reasons for the failure of the revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857 was a great uprising. It was, we can say, an organized movement, the first revolt against the British colonialism. It was a great setback, a great blow to the British Empire. So it brought drastic changes in every field of the British administrative system. But this revolt of 1857 was completely suppressed by the British army. Many reasons were there. It was not a successful one, but it was a failure. The British easily oppressed or suppressed or defeated the revolutionaries of 1857. Many reasons were there, but it was a great movement. It was a great, it was a spirited and large scale uprising, but it failed due to many reasons. It was the first challenge that the British has to face in India. It was a great blow to the British Empire, but the British easily suppressed the revolt. Many reasons were there. So in this question we will study about the failure of the reasons for the failure of the revolt of 1857. First, it is lack of common idea. The sepoys, the leaders of the revolt, they lacked a common ideal before them, as everyone fought in different parts of the country for their own reasons. Many leaders were there. In north, in south, everywhere, many leaders were there. But they were not having any common idea, common platform. And every leaders fought for their own reasons, their own motto, their own aim. So they were not having unity. That was the first reason for the failure of the revolt of 1857. At the same time, the Britishers were having great leaders, great commanders, great and powerful officers. So it was the first reason. Second is no unity among the people. The people, including the Hindus and the Muslims, they were not shown any unity in this revolt because they were concerned their religions only. They were having their own reasons to participate in the war. So they were not having any unity. They never shown any unity during this war. So the Britishers easily suppressed the revolt. Third, it is a large part of the country remained unaffected. Only the northern India, many parts of northern India were affected in this war. Many part of south, many part of east, many part of west were not affected in this revolt. So the Britishers easily suppressed the revolt of 1857. Another is lack an effective leadership. The rebels lacked an effective leader, as all the leaders or revolutionaries fought to liberate their own territories. Rani Lakshmi Bai wanted to liberate, wanted to get her own area. Tanjir Top also wanted to get his own area, and in every part of in the uprising, the leaders wanted to get their own area only, their own win only, and they never thought about the winning of the war. And another one, lack resources. The rebels lacked resources in terms of men and money. They were not having proper army, they were not having proper leadership, and they were not having proper arms and ammunition. At the same time, the Britishers were having a steady supply of men, money, and modern arms in India. But Indians were lacking these modern arms in India. So the Britishers easily defeated the first uprising. It was the first challenge that the British has to face in India, but easily they suppressed. First, it was lack of common idea, no common platform was there, no unity among the people, many part of India unaffected in this war, lack an effective leadership, no common leader, proper leader was there, lack resources, means lack money, arms and ammunitions, men. At the same time, the Britishers were having, they were having, you know, they were having everything. They were superior in this field, but Indians were not having proper system in this field. So the Britishers easily suppressed the revolt of 1857. Thank you very much.